Google Analytics Review. Watch before using. Welcome. Today we're diving into a full review of Google Analytics, one of the most powerful tools for website owners and digital marketers. If you're considering Google Analytics or are already using it, this video will give you a clear overview of its features, how it can benefit your website, and who it's best suited for. And remember, I've included links to Google Analytics in the description below if you want to check it out directly. Starting with features, Google Analytics offers robust data tracking, giving you insights into website traffic, visitor behavior, conversion rates, and so much more. It provides essential metrics like session duration, bounce rate, and source of traffic, which can help you refine your content, adjust marketing efforts, and improve the overall user experience on your site. Plus, with the new GA4, Google Analytics 4 update, you now get even more data-driven insights and predictive metrics to help forecast future user actions, a real plus for decision-making. So, who is Google Analytics for? If you run a website, whether it's an e-commerce store, blog, or even a local business page, Google Analytics is designed to give you the insights you need to grow and improve. Digital marketers, content creators, e-commerce managers, and business owners can all benefit immensely. The tool is also invaluable for beginners and experts alike, thanks to customizable dashboards and various integration options that work with Google Ads, Search Console, and a variety of third-party tools. Overall, Google Analytics isn't just a tool for tracking visitors. It's a complete digital strategy companion, but it can have a learning curve, so make sure to explore its features and settings to get the most out of it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Your support helps us bring valuable information to more people looking to succeed online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.